It's time to generate an insurance estimate. The biggest piece of advice we like to start with is giving the proposal builder as much context as possible. Start with a prompt. The more detailed, the better. For insurance, it's important to state that it's an insurance estimate and outline the different types of work: roof, siding, gutters, or even other dwellings. Next, click the plus icon to attach supporting files. If your company CAM account is connected, search for and import photos from the project. If not, click to upload from your files. Make sure to include a measurement report PDF, and if you have an existing loss summary, include it here too. Click the Send button to start generating the proposal. The AI reviews your prompt and uploaded files, showing real-time progress as it parses the data and scans the images. Once processing is complete, review the generated insurance estimate. Because the prompt listed different types of work, they are broken down here. At the top of the screen, you will see that it is version 1 of the draft. To view the documents you uploaded, click the folder icon above the chat. You will see the photos, measurements, and additional weather documentation. Here's a quick look at the first draft, complete with a cover photo, claim and project details, annotated photos, and the estimate breakdown. This also includes a weather report. Now it's time to make any real-time revisions to the proposal. You can request them in the chat or enter edit mode by clicking the icon in the top right. Change the cover photo by selecting a different image from the gallery. Add missing claim information, inspection date, and adjuster information. You can add custom sections here depending on how you run your business and what you want to include. Drag to reorder the images, deselect ones you want to leave out, or edit the annotations. This is what we mean by AI-powered. Contractor in control. Now for the line items. If you need this as a Symbility report, click the drop-down here to change it from Exactimate. The project is broken down by dwelling and trade. Reorder the items, click on a line item to make changes, add F9 notes, change the font weight, and make the selections you need, or remove the item entirely. XBuild will use the updated price list from Exactimate, so pricing may vary slightly. We recommend taking a thorough look at the details and then saving your project. If you want to revisit a previous version of the proposal before you save changes, you can scroll up and click on an earlier draft. You can return to the latest version or restore an earlier one. To double-check details, you can ask the AI whether anything is missing. You have the option to add what it recommends or leave the proposal as is. In this example, we have requested a change. When you're ready to finalize, click the arrow at the top right of your screen to preview a read-only version of the final report. Then hit the Publish button. If you would like to include the homeowner, complete this step. If you have team members in XBuild who should receive a copy, add them here. Hit that Publish button to finalize the report. With the insurance estimate published, you can now download, print, or share it. The PDF contains the same information as the proposal link. If you want to view the estimate, go back to your account and click on Projects. This is where you will see a list of every estimate: retail, insurance, or other trade. Then it's time to get started on the next claim.